Hi Church, Doug Vogelin here. I'm here to provide you with an update on behalf of the renovation project team, specifically with respect to the Grocery Gift Card Fundraiser. Today, I'm excited to announce the Grocery Gift Card 30 and 30 Challenge. What is that, you may ask? Well, let me tell you. During the month of June, we're challenging 30 DC families to each purchase a minimum of one $100 grocery gift card. And grocery gift cards are useful for a few things, not just as bookmarks, but they're very useful for going out and buying groceries. So cards just like this are what we're talking about. What we really want people to do, 30 families, is to purchase one gift card by June 30th. Now here's the perk. If you and your family order your grocery cards before Father's Day, that's June 20th, the dad or father figure in your home will be entered to win an additional $100 card. The more cards you purchase, the more entries you receive to win the Father's Day prize. Now kids, this is just for you. Kids, I want you to start negotiating with your dad now. If your dad wins the prize, make sure you're purchasing ice cream, pop, and chips. Negotiate that into the deal now and someone's going to be really happy. So church, are you ready? The challenge is on. Visit dalhousieschurch.com/grocery to purchase your cards today.